Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 23rd Mashi Masam, 7th March 2025, Friday, Krodhinama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudo, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Shukla Bhaksham, Ashtami Tithi up to 2:06 p.m. Then Navami, Bhriguvasaram, Nakshatram up to 3 a.m. Mrgashirsham, then Tiruvadirai. Today's Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guligalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam up to 4 p.m. Tula Rashi, then Vrichiga Rashi.